So back to the meat of the matter now, as it pertains to Mr. Warmington's comments about Mr. Mark Golding, the leader of the opposition, PNP, People's National Party. He referred to Mr. Golding as a Bakra master, which means slave master. How is Mr. Golding a slave master? What has he done to earn that title? This is from an excerpt. He is married to and has children with a black Jamaican woman, and he exhibits no disdain for black people. He asked where Mr. Golding's parents were from, and referred to white man from England. Remember, this is an excerpt, and this is actually facts as well. Mr. Warmington, Mr. Golding's father was a professor, Professor John Golding, an orthopedic surgeon who founded the Sir John Golding Rehabilitation Center in Mona, a facility that has made a huge impact on the disabled community in this country. He opened the Hope Valley Experimental School to provide education for the handicapped children who were unable to attend regular schools. We're speaking about the leader of the opposition's father right now, Mr. Mark Golding, since Mr. Warmington has put his color on the fore, and his parents, his heritage, his roots. He also started the hospice home care and the hospice pain care center for the terminally ill, and started many other programs that helped the disabled. Mark Golding's father has done more for the people of this predominantly black country than Mr. Everett Warmington will ever do. What Mr. Warmington said and did was totally wrong, and I want to know if the Honorable Prime Minister is going to allow him to keep on this tirade. It was just out of order, plain and straight. It was just wrong. It was just wrong. In the 70s, the PNP had a slogan, "My leader Barnia." It is a fact that Michael Manley was born here and Edward Seaga was not. Look at the hypocrisy. Now you're gonna go after a man because he's lighter than most of us, but he was still born here. Mr. Seaga, who you people, adore and love and worshipped, wasn't born here. You're gonna say that Mr. Seaga was born in Boston because of accident. You don't know that. You weren't there. His parents migrated to Boston or relocated to Boston, to the USA. You understand? And he was born over there. And if you ask me, Mr. Seaga look more of a white man than Mr. Mark Golding, because Mr. Seaga has Syrian blood in him. So I don't know. You know what, Jamaica, it's coming up to election time, and when we talk about election, local government, and it seems like these people are grasping at straws, and they're now trying to divide us even more by digging into our color, digging into the races, pulling the colorist card or the racist card. And it's totally wrong, and we will not have it. Go about and do your campaign, but campaign morally. And this is why the children of this nation, they don't care about morals or values, because they see you behaving in that manner. People who should have an influence, or have an influence. If you are going to behave in that manner by attacking a person because of his color that he didn't ask for, he was born that way. I don't care who runs this country, what color he or she has. Run this country in a matter or manner that everyone benefits. As long as you have the potential and the wherewithal, the education, the drive, the passion and the love, the care, the understanding, the educational background, socio-economical background. You have to have a love for people. Show sympathy and empathy. Be able to go on the ground and know what's going on. I don't care about color, to be honest. How dare you, Mr. Warmington? You're wrong, and you need to apologize to Mr. Mark Golding. The man is married to a nice dark-skinned woman. Look at the kids. Look at the children. Now, if Mr. Golding was a background master, as you're painting him out to be, he wouldn't have married a dark-skinned woman, a Jamaican woman. What are we doing as leaders of this nation? What kind of messages are we now sending to our children? We're gonna have a divide now with the children now in schools, brown against black.